Hi there, we're going to learn the vocabulary together. If you don't know how to work with this course, I would definitely recommend you to go to my website englishwitheva.com, click on 1000 words and then lesson 2 and follow the instructions. So, the vocabulary for today. How, at, go, have, cake, drink as a verb, drink as a noun, brother, sister, daughter, son, child, children, your, my, old, or, at school, at work, at home, school, work as a verb, work as a noun, home. Lesson 2, Grammar. Today we're going to learn how to shorten the verbs. To make a short form, you basically omit a part of the word and replace it with an apostrophe. You usually omit a vowel. So if we have I am and you omit the letter A, then you have I'm. If you have it is and you omit the letter I, then you have it's. So we can try it together. I am, I'm. You are, you're. She is, she's. He is, he's. It is, it's. We are, we're. You are, you're. They are, they're. In negative, you just add not. I'm not. You're not. She's not. He's not. It's not. We're not. You're not. They're not. The other way how to form a negative is to omit the letter O in not. You aren't. She isn't. He isn't. It isn't. We aren't. You aren't. They aren't. Now we can train it together. Repeat after me. I'm okay. You're nice. She's Wendy. He's Joey. It's an orange car. We're happy. your students? They're here. I'm not here. You're not happy. She isn't nice. He isn't at home. It's not good. We're not at school. They aren't teachers. And now let's learn short answers to the questions. If somebody asks you if you're okay, then you don't have to say, yes, I am okay. You can say, yes, I am. So that's the way how it works. Are you happy? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Is it good? Yes, it is. No, it is not. No, it's not. No, it isn't. Is Andy here? Yes, he is. No, he is not. No, he's not. No, he isn't. Are Tom and Pete there? Yes, they are. No, they are not. No, they're not. No, they aren't. As many of you come from countries where British English is taught, I have decided to go through the verb have got. We will do it only now, and later on we will use the American simple I have. But in England they say I've got. They can also say I have, but in colloquial British English it's quite usual to say I've got. So this is how it's made. I have, you add got, you have I have got, and then you make a short form I've got. You've got. She's got. He's got. It's got. We've got. You've got. They've got. The question is, have I got? Have you got? Has she got? Has he got? Has it got? Have we got? Have you got? Have they got? And the negative form is I haven't got. You haven't got. She hasn't got. He hasn't got. It hasn't got. We haven't got. You haven't got. They haven't got. Short answers to the questions with have got are without got. Have you got a car? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Has she got a son? Yes, she has. No, she hasn't. Has Tom got children? Yes, he has. No, he hasn't. Have Mike and Sally got a daughter? Yes, they have. No, they haven't. Imperative. Imperative means command or request. To make imperative, we use infinitive in English. Infinitive means a verb without a person. Play, drink, work. This is bare infinitive. We also have infinitive with to. To play, to work, to drink. To make imperative, we use infinitive without to. Go, play, work. Come here, please. In plural, the first person, we, uses let's. Let's go. Let's play. Let's drink. Let's work, please. Please turn off the subtitles now. You have learned all the grammar and the vocabulary, and you will definitely understand me. And if not, the second try can be with your subtitles. So let's get started. How are you? Have you got a car? Is your work nice? Has your sister got a child? Who is at work? Has your brother got children? Where are the cakes? Why are you sad? Is your drink cold? How old are you? And now write the sentences. I'm here and my brother is at work. Who is in the car? I haven't got children. She's got a cake here. Where is your daughter? And now try to translate following sentences. The car is old. Why are the children sad? Your brother is nice. She is not at home. I haven't got a brother. We aren't happy. Has your daughter got a car? My drink is good. Martina is at the meeting and Tom is at school. They've got apples and oranges there.